Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 81. Fire evacuation procedure. In the event of a fire emergency, ensuring the safety of guests and staff is of paramount importance. Here's the detailed fire evacuation procedure for the food and beverage section. When the general alarm sounds and the evacuation instruction is given, all staff must guide guests to exit the building using the nearest safe fire exit. The bar supervisor is responsible for turning off all electrical appliances in the bar area. The bar supervisor must collect staff schedules. The bar supervisor must secure money from the cash drawer and shut down the micros system. All staff members should proceed to evacuate to the designated assembly point. The bar supervisor is responsible for conducting a roll call to account for all staff members. Emergency exit points. Level 0, Health Club. 1 exit to outside indoor pool area. Level 1, kitchen/restaurant/cafeteria/offices. 1. Exit to loading bay. 2. Exit to open area between main and west wing. 3. Exit to pool area. 4. Exit to open area leading to parking by the gas tank. Level 2. 1. Exit to main entrance parking, reception/concierge. 2. Exit to west restaurant and ballroom and meeting rooms. 3. Exit to Sunset Bar Restaurant, Carib Lounge and lobby. 4. Exit to open east parking area. Level 3. 2. Exit to restaurant. In the outside catering events and restaurant department, it's essential to ensure that all staff members are well versed in this fire evacuation procedure. The safety and well-being of everyone present during events or in the restaurant environment are our top priorities. Regular training and drills will help us respond swiftly and effectively in any emergency situation. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.